We've shown how Raptor makes your four-wheel drive look tough. Now, here's proof that it is tough. Any four-wheel drive with normal paint would end up with pinstriping all down the sides after this, but watch what happens to our RAPTOR Coated 80. Basically zero scuffing and no chipped paint down to the metal. But if you do rush past a branch, look what you can do to your RAPTOR coat. Rub it with a bit of water and detergent and the scuffing goes away. A Raptor line four-wheel drive has up to 5 times the density of a normal paint job. That means it's harder to scuff, harder to chip, and it won't flake off if you do chip it. But even then, when you need to touch up RAPTOR coat, it's easy and blends in really well. Plus, because it's a 2-pack polyurethane material, it lasts years in the sun before fading even in the slightest, so it's highly UV resistant, just like a brand new modern paint job. Whether you're spraying your whole four-wheel drive, your tub, your bull bar, or any other accessories, if you want something that looks tough and is tough, then you need Raptor. It's an easy DIY and it's insanely affordable.